Welcome.
We're so glad you took a step to make your relationship a priority.
We have overcome deep pain and devastation in our own previous marriages to create deep connection, passion, joy, and peace. Now, God has given us a mandate to help other couples to do the same. With our 30 years of working with couples, we have come across every situation, so nothing surprises us. We're bringing our own unique male and female perspective to every situation. Our passion is to restore marriages for their individual purpose in the kingdom of God. We are providing helpful resources to strengthen marriages in a community that will foster friendships through transparency and similar situations. You will find that you're not the only couple having difficulties. We will all grow together.
And even though sometimes we deal with very serious situations, we love to have fun. And we think you love to have fun too. So make sure you join our workshops to learn new tools and have a few laughs as we travel down each stepping stone together, laughing at our mistakes and using them as opportunities to grow.
Join us on this journey together as we build our marriages in faith, hope, and love. We look forward to the adventure with you.